Alloys are expensive and most vulnerable to damage from road debris, oxidation, corrosion, etc., as it is the lowest part of car, and it is also be considered as important part of car style. Ceramic coating on alloys is recommended to be installed by trained professionals, and we have mastered the art of applying perfect solitaire ceramic coat and make it anti-graffiti, chemical resistant, corrosion resistant. First, we carefully take out the wheel for a thorough cleansing with dry steam technology by Stamina 1A to get rid of rigid stains and opening up the pores. We apply certified alloy wheel cleaner with specially designed gadget attachments to get rid of brake dust, oxide layers, water spots, etc., and finally restoring original car alloys shine. Its high thermal resistance allows ceramic coat to withstand higher heat loads, which in turn allow coats to remain bonded onto your wheels permanently since it won't melt away.